Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 17. Chapter 38. Sharing a sad story. I'm feeling really sad today because something really upsetting happened to me the other day. I'm struggling with some difficult news I received recently. I'm not doing so well emotionally right now. I wanted to talk to you about something that's been weighing on my mind. I'm feeling really down about what happened. I had a really tough experience and it's been hard to shake it off. I just need to vent for a bit about what's been going on. I don't know who else to talk to about this, but I really need to get it off my chest. I'm really hurting inside and I don't know how to deal with it. It's been a rough time for me lately, and I just need someone to listen. I can't stop thinking about what happened, and it's been affecting me a lot. I've been feeling really overwhelmed and sad lately, and I wanted to talk to you about it. I'm struggling to cope with what's happened, and I could really use some support. I'm feeling pretty low right now, and I think talking about it might help. I've been going through a tough time, and I wanted to share with you what's been happening. It's been a really difficult experience, and I'm having a hard time processing it. I feel like I've been carrying a heavy burden since what happened, and I need to let it out. I've been trying to stay strong, but I just can't keep it in anymore. I wanted to talk to you because I know you're a good listener and I really need someone to talk to right now. Chapter 39. Talking about your favorite hobbies. I really enjoy reading, it's my favorite thing to do in my free time. One of my hobbies is playing guitar. I find it really relaxing. I love hiking, I've been doing it for years now. Photography is something I've recently gotten into and I'm really enjoying it. I find painting really fulfilling and it helps me unwind after a long day. I'm really passionate about cooking and I love sharing it with others. Playing sports is a great way to meet new people and make friends who share similar interests. I love the feeling of accomplishment I get from completing a puzzle. I've learned so much through learning a new language, it's been a great way to expand my knowledge. I love how writing challenges me to think creatively. I enjoy dancing because it allows me to express myself in a unique way. Playing music has really helped me develop new skills that I can apply in other areas of my life. I love the sense of community that comes with participating in community service. There are so many people who share the same passion. I find meditation really therapeutic. It helps me relieve stress and clear my mind. Playing video games is something I look forward to every day. It brings me a lot of joy. I've met some of my closest friends through attending concerts. It's been a great way to connect with others. Traveling is a great way to learn new things and explore different areas of interest. I enjoy the process of learning and improving through practicing yoga. I find listening to music really inspiring. It's amazing to see what others can create and achieve. Running has taught me a lot about discipline and perseverance. It's been a great lesson in determination.